got red on me from that jar. Well, hello, Coffee Time friends. How y'all doing? It's Saturday. Mom and I are just taking it easy today. We had big plans. I was just telling her, I really haven't done anything I planned on doing today. Not even one thing. We were already eating, and Mama said, we've not filmed. And I said, well, we can now. Mama's over there in her normal place. So, see, she's not over here on her filming corner.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you? Let me turn on some light. We really weren't ready for y'all. There, how's that? A little brighter. I just got red all over me off this jar where I had put this ranch dressing. This is y'all's ranch. And I made it, and I like to dip my pizza in it. We're having a frozen pizza. Mama, tell me about this frozen pizza.
It's a Red Baron stuffed crust.
And it's what that box over there says. Red Baron.
And it's got cheese around the edges.
It's our new favorite. We found it at the dollar store.
Family Dollar Store, I think.
That's the dollar store, isn't it? It's in the name. I call the other one Gentral. And the other one I call that the dollar store.
Oh,
I thought you do too.
I call them red and yellow.
That's a good way to keep them apart. Drinking a zero caffeine, zero sugar Coke. Tainted water, I guess. Tastes pretty good with pizza. It's much too late for me to have Coca-Cola caffeine. Now, I can do coffee caffeine. It doesn't seem to bother me. Is that weird?
Yeah, that is.
Mama's in her January, July sweater today.
It's cold today.
Well, it is cold. It's a whopping 75 degrees here. The compared to what we've had cool weather yesterday and today both. It's looked all day like it was just going to pour the rain. I think that set the mood.
Yeah, and it was a few little drops hit me going to the mailbox. But it ain't done nothing. It just teasing me, I think.
It teased you. Well, I know. We didn't even go to the farmer's market today. We've not been out of the house today. Let me tell you what we have done now. I don't know if y'all know the comedian Leanne Morgan. She has a new show on Netflix. And we have been binge watching it today. Accidentally. We thought it was one show on there. I said, let's watch this new show on Netflix. Well, all the episodes are on there. We're on episode 9.
I didn't even know she had it.
It is dropped on the 31st. This is the reason Mama sits over here when we film. Because the cameraman has to work back and forth, back and forth. Isn't it crazy?
Oh, wow.
We were just sitting down here. Mama said, I've got pizza ready. I said, sounds good
We
to me.
haven't eaten no lunch today.
Lunch? This is lunch.
This is everything.
I don't think we're going to get a supper. We did the same thing last night. We didn't eat last night either. Usually Friday night's party night. There wasn't no party in here last night. We didn't even film last night. We had company, and it got late, and we didn't eat, and then it was too late to eat with my mama.
I didn't want nothing. My stomach was a little...
And I said, I'm tired. I'm going to bed. I went to bed. And that was it. So some nights life happens. Mama's got strawberries here. We're celebrating Mama's birthday today. I'm going to give her gifts in a little while.
No.
Aww. Where's this at?
Birthday dinner.
Yes, this is. Look at those strawberries. She's got a cake in the oven. plain yellow cake. That's her birthday cake. I fixed her birthday breakfast this morning. Brunch. What do you call that meal at
No, it wasn't
9:30?
brunch. It wasn't.
9:30?
9:30.
And she's wanting strawberries and yellow cake. I told y'all that was her favorite if I had to guess a favorite.
No, this is pre-birthday cake.
She's pushing it.
Pre-birthday cake.
So you want...
I'll probably get chocolate on my birthday. That's plumb up to Monday.
You had... What did we have the other night? Sweets.
Pudding.
Pudding. You had chocolate pudding. That was pre-birthday pudding.
Mm-hmm. But that was the other day.
Tonight we're having yellow cake with strawberries and sugar.
Mm-hmm.
And that's a pre-birthday cake.
Mm-hmm.
And then on Monday, you're wanting another cake?
I'm going to have my chocolate poke cake, I think.
And there's a pumpkin roll in the refrigerator.
Mm-hmm.
So, and we don't do desserts and we're trying to do less carbs.
It's my birthday. It's time to celebrate. Mm-hmm.
Well, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
We're
We
doing...
don't do this often.
No. Having pizza today. I guess next week it'll be green vegetables and broccoli and no sweets.
No. Whole month of August is my birthday.
Yeah, we can celebrate. I'm all for that.
Mm-hmm.
It's just we can't do sweets every day.
We won't.
Or every other day.
Well, this cake is for today and tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Then my birthday's Monday, so we won't have it. And I just fix half of the ball.
So this is your birthday cake?
Pre-birthday cake, I told you. Pre.
I believe she's been sneaky. I'm not for sure, but I believe she's been sneaky. I called off my birthday cake last year. I said, Mama, we've already done some cakes.
I did you a cake for your birthday.
No, we didn't do any birthday cake, I don't believe. I believe you fixed one.
I fixed you
Easter.
sawdust salad.
There was some holiday that was in there, and we had the chocolate cake on that holiday instead of my birthday because we had just overdone it in sweets. I think I want 7-layer salad for my birthday this year.
Wow.
I want broccoli and some 7 layers of salad.
That ain't cake, broccoli.
I know, but it's a little healthier.
What's the use of having a birthday if you can't splurge a little?
I don't need to splurge. I'm splurging with you right now. I made biscuits for her this morning. Homemade. The little ones. It's because she likes the little ones sometimes, but she likes them a little flatter than they can. Mine rose too much, but what happened was I ran off a White Lily self-rising flour. So I had to go to White Lily plain flour for part of it. So I added baking powder. And they really rose, didn't they?
Mm-hmm.
I'll post a picture. I was going to film this morning, but I don't know. It got away from me.
It's hard doing it all.
And then this rainy day looking that you didn't really get any rain. Even the dogs are confused. They have laid out on the concrete. I think they're cold. They're on the driveway, just laying.
I don't know if they're cold or hot or what, but right out in the sun, no shade.
But I mean, it's like the concrete would absorb heat. And normally they lay in the cool grass or under the barn. But it's just 74 right now. That's pretty cool compared to what they've had.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to have to bring them in tonight. It'll be too cold for them, I think.
Oh, I don't think so. They'll enjoy it.
Abby could sleep with you. Or I'll let Oliver sleep with you.
I couldn't handle all of
Oh,
them.
he's a rough one. He is rough, that pup is.
Mm-hmm. Can you see if that's raisin?
It's raisin. I made this ranch on 7/12. It is so good. It smells so good. And it's thickened up. I could put more buttermilk in. Look how thick. People say, oh, it don't get too thick. See it? This is as thick as dip now. I need to put a little buttermilk in and shake it.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, it's your mouth.
I know.
We flipped the page. It's the second day of August.
It'll be fall before we bat another.
Oh, when August gets here, it's on, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
When July, the 4th is over, you might as well put your tree up. When are you going to start putting your trees up?
Oh,
October.
November probably.
No, you always start usually in October.
I did last year.
No. 1st of November, probably.
Mm-hmm.
Right after the Halloweens.
Yeah.
Anyhow, we've enjoyed Leanne's new show. Leanne's from Knoxville, and the show is about Knoxville. And they were going to Turkey Creek earlier, and there's a mall at Turkey Creek. So, for you folks that are local from Knoxville, you might enjoy that. And everybody loves Leanne. It's a good show, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's clean and it's funny. I've enjoyed it. We had company earlier, and I think they enjoyed what they seen too. We don't normally play the TV when company's here, but they didn't mind.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, you got your stuff? You gonna save that? You need some marinara?
No, I'm not eating marinara. That's got the sauce all on it. I'm through when
So I just wanted to come today and let y'all see that we're just, every day is not pure excitement around here. I know y'all think that we're just like all the time. Excitement.
Mm-mm.
Party Friday nights. Well, we went to bed pretty early when our company cleared out, and we just went on to bed, basically. And then today, it was funny how much the conversations changed from breakfast to now. Because there was 2 people eating here this morning, and then one of them said that they have certain laundries to do and linens to do, and the other one said they was going to do some stuff, including a little bit of laundry, and 2 more things they named specifically.
We got to watching that box that they used to call it.
And here it is 5:30, and ain't nothing done. Y'all ever do that?
I still got time to do something.
Mama says she still got time. She gonna show me.
I fixed pizza and baking a cake, fixed strawberries.
You've been working.
Mm-hmm.
I've really not done that much today. I did 1 or 2 little things. And what was I did the other day? I forget what it was. And I said, I'm going to count this as my accomplishment today. And it was something real simple.
That's what you said about the biscuits this morning.
Oh, yeah, I said that. I said, here's my accomplishment for today, pan of biscuits. That was a pretty good accomplishment this morning.
Mm-hmm.
I'll post a picture if I don't forget. If it'll let me post. You got any idea what we're having for tomorrow's lunch?
No, I thought about it earlier and I hadn't come up with nothing.
You've not?
Mm-mm. I want some mashed potatoes, whatever we have. I ain't had no potatoes.
You ain't had no potatoes all week.
I ain't had no fix on my potatoes.
How about pork chops? Breaded pork chops and mashed potatoes.
Now that's pretty good sounding.
You got that cube pork chops in there. You could do mashed potatoes and pork and beans.
Mm-hmm.
And some kind of roll.
I ain't got no rolls.
Oh, well, it's over there for rolls. We just ain't doing that. We'll come up with something for lunch tomorrow, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah.
I hope it's cool tomorrow. Is it supposed to be this cool?
I ain't looked. Don't know.
I didn't know this was going to be this cool today till
Mm-mm.
I had noticed earlier when I stepped out for a second and I thought, well, it's a little cool. And then babies was acting cool. They're not cold. They're just probably enjoying it, really. I've lost my glasses. I've let them down somewhere. These are a spare pair. You ever lose your... And I'm not one to lose glasses. And I know that I've not lost them. They're here. But I've laid them down on a table.
Look at your office. I think
I'm probably in my office. But I never leave them in my office because I always just wear them. Unless I've taken them off or something. But I've got some more. And who knows about the prescriptions? I need to go start all over because I keep my old glasses and I wear them and I may have them sitting on one table or on another table. And then I'm like, is this the new glasses? Because I usually keep the same frames or repeat on the frames. So I don't know. You didn't eat very much pizza, Mama. Here's that pizza. You can see it's the stuffed crust. It's got cheese in there. And you can dip that after you have your pizza. Here's Mama's cake. That's not cornbread. It looks like cornbread, but it ain't.
it's that.
And strawberries with sugar on them. Now that's high carb too, but it'll be delicious with that whipped topping on there. Isn't that goody?
Yeah. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be delicious, Mama. Well, Mama, come over and let's tell these folks bye so they can get back to their Saturday.
Enjoy their sets.
We can't eat cake for a while because it's hot.
Yeah.
Can't put strawberries on hot cake.
Yeah, you can. Just
I don't like it.
cook it hot.
I don't like it. I want that. I want it just right. I like.
My mommy would make 2-layer cakes. Put strawberries on the first layer and punch holes and let that juice run down. And then put the other layer on. Put strawberries all over it and punch holes in it and let the juice
But she
run.
did hot.
No, but we ate it right then. All of us kids, there's so much of us, it was a...
Well, I could eat warm cake, but if it's got fruit on it or something,
Yeah,
or cool
but
whipped topping.
What I'm saying, I never did do it because we just cut the cake, put it in a bowl, and put our strawberries and stuff.
Now, Daddy would eat it hot.
Oh yeah, well I like plain cake hot.
Plain cake I could eat hot. Maybe, but as far as with cool strawberries in the summertime, I think I want
Yeah,
cool cake.
yeah, and Cool Whip on top. I mean, not Cool Whip, Red Whip.
That's
That's the...
Oh, God bless you both. Thank you, Kathy. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday. You too, Deborah. Cool Whip, yeah, Gloria, we got that spray can.
Well, we got Cool Whip too, but we like the
I don't use the Cool
Red
Whip.
Whip.
My hummingbirds are enjoying the cooler. I bet they are. I bet everything outside's happy to see cooler weather. We have biscuits and strawberry. I love that, Brenda. We've not made our peach preserves yet.
No, I peeled some. I thought I'd do something with those. So
So you're ready to go.
yeah.
All right, Mama. Say goodbye, Mama.
Goodbye, Mama, and God bless you. And have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Y'all have a blessed day. Lord, we will see you tomorrow.
Bye bye.